Hello everyone! If you want to sell something online, on Instagram, you should have your own Instagram shop. And this is the steps you should follow. And I gotta say that this can be very helpful now and in the future. This way, you could sell whatever you want all over the world. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. First, you'll have to confirm eligibility. Your business has to be located in a supported market. Your business has an eligible product. Your business complies with Facebook's merchant agreement and commerce policies. Your business has to own a website, a place where your products will be located, and place where you sell from. In order to have a shop, you'll have to convert your personal account into a business or creator account. If you're not sure how to do that, you can watch our video tutorial, How to Set Up Instagram Business Creators Account. Be sure that your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page. In the next steps, we will explain how. Go to your Instagram account. Click on the Edit Profile button. Then click on Page. Choose a Facebook page from your pages that you'd like to connect. Or you can create a new one. Facebook may ask you for the password if you're already connected to one of the Facebook pages. But if you do not have a Facebook page, select Create a New Facebook Page. You can also create a new Facebook page from scratch. If you're not sure how to do that, be sure to watch our video tutorial, How to Create Facebook Page. The next step is to upload Product Catalog. Catalog is the essential part of your Instagram shop. There are two ways to connect the product catalog to your Instagram account. First is through Catalog Manager. This is the way you do it by yourself by using Facebook Business Manager. This part is explained in the video, How to Create Facebook Shopping Catalog. Second one is through e-commerce platform partner. Those partners are hosting their products on compatible e-commerce platforms. If you're already using one of these platforms to your business, this option may be the best solution for you. The easier way is if you're setting it up on your desktop. These are e-commerce platforms that can connect the catalog to Instagram and Facebook. Now, when you finished uploading your products and putting them into a catalog, you'll have to submit your account for review. You're submitting it by going to your account, Settings, and then signing up for shopping, and then following the steps to submit your account for review. Then, you'll have to visit shopping in the mentioned settings part of your account to check your status. Account reviews take a few days, but sometimes they can take longer. Instagram can notify you that they need additional information to prove ownership of your website domain. If you receive this kind of notification, follow the steps to complete the domain verification process to submit your account for review. Domain verification in Business Manager. It allows you to control editing permissions over your links and content in order to have a control over it. It includes organic and paid content. After verification, you can assign specific pages editing permissions for your ads. Pages associated with your Business Manager need to have editing permissions in order to make changes to your ads. Verifying your domains is free. There are two domain verification methods: HTML file upload and DNS verification text record. This part is more for developers, so be sure that you have one. Remember that you can't edit page post links unless you verify your domains in Business Manager. If you're doing it by yourself, click on DNS text record. Copy a link of Facebook's DNS verification. Log into your DNS register, add a record in DNS settings page, select text file, add hostname, write down Facebook-domain-verification, and paste the copied code from Facebook. Click on Add a Record. When your DNS is accepted, go to Business Manager and click Verify. The second type of verification is through an HTML file. Download file from the Business Manager, add the file that you've uploaded to the root of your website. Go back to Business Manager, click Verify, and follow the required steps. Domain verification is necessary in order to be sure that only the rightful parties can edit link previews that direct to your content. If you're not sure what you need as a commerce eligibility requirement, check this link and follow all the necessary steps. Turn on shopping. This is a step where your account is approved. You won't be able to see shopping in your settings if your account is still under review or it hasn't been approved for Instagram shopping. Now, if it is, here's what you'll do next. Go to your business Instagram profile and tap 3 dots. Tap on Settings, Business, Shopping, and then select Product Catalog you want to connect to your account. Start tagging. Your shop is now enabled. Use shopping tabs to highlight products in your photos and videos across feed and stories. Shopping tags and posts. You can tag products within an Instagram post. Upload your product photo, add a caption, and click on Tag Products, and then tap on a photo. Search for a product and select one. You can add a location as well. Tag people. All the usual steps when creating a post, as in our video tutorial, how to create an Instagram post and use different fonts. Tap Done and Share. Shopping stickers and stories. Choose an image for your story. Tap on the sticker icon in the top right corner. Now, select the product sticker from the sticker tray. Select the product from your catalog that you want to feature. You can move the product sticker to the place on design where you would like it to appear on a story. You can change the text color of the product sticker simply by tapping the sticker. It's time to share your story. If someone taps on your story, tag products from your shop will show up. Your products from the shop can be found on your profile as well. If someone taps on the post photo, it will show the product's name and price. It can also transfer them directly to your shop. Well, that's all from me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.